MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Office u District School Education Officer, but Subdivisional School Education Officer kari Bhoi District, mantaka Sngi kila penlong jing Rakhe Kyrpang aga Sngi Nonghikai, bala tibru kum ka 63rd Teachers Day Celebration 2024, ha St. Paul's Parish Hall, uba Sustenance Sotun, MLA ke Jirang Constituency, ulwan benshim benta kum Ukongsan, Rajing Don Langru u Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner Kori Bhoi District kum Usumbot Kongsan. Hakne ke jing Rakhe lawan shimbentaru bagi kena school Nonghikai ni school baper kri Bhoi, bala samru ki khusnam bala tep kum ka district award shaki Nonghikai ki bala shajit mentau usnam. Uba Sustenance Sotun ulapan pau ke jing kemen bat I men semru ki Nonghikai ki bala len ladi bantai ya kalawe bu pernai jong jela bat jong kari. Ula ban khiaru badai tang ka jing nang jing start ha ka jela bat kari ba on sala ban keu habaro kiliang lapin ipu iping ru ikate Sngi da jing ruai jing shat bat kiwe ki program balai shemta chirham de khna school ban ai buram mi Nonghikai ha kan Sngi Kyrpang jongki.
And more importantly, there is a certain monotony which also sets in that day in and day out you are doing the same thing and again. So be that as it may, but I will want from here as Deputy Commissioner, as your friend, what I want to request all of you is to think about it, is to try and shift your perspective. That it's not a mere job. It's not a mere bricklaying job. It's not a mere carrying soil job. It's not a mere lecturing job. It's not a mere examination conducting job. It's a job of making light. What I want to appeal is that you should think about it. You should try and change your perspective. Perspective should be that you are making the future of this society, you are building the future of the country.
Teacher always is working hard and making the commitment in every class, in every subjects that they are for. Teachers, I believe, they always give the best to their students. I being a teacher, myself also, I think maybe most of you, you know, I had a discussion with SDSU that I myself also in the year 1994, 95 and 2006, 7. I was teaching in one school in the remote area of Soyo, and then after that in the year 2006, 7, I was teaching there in the Enquiries school, SHILLONG, I got the chance every time a teacher, when we go to class, we always try to give the best, and I believe that our teachers, they always give the best. They always present their best. Knowledge giving to the students in every subject they are taking. Education is the main tool that is changing the world. Remember, we are here, our students, you have to always think, you have to always know in mind that every teacher who is taking any subjects for you, they are there to help you building a great future. great big officers in different fields. But we have to know from where they start. They start from school. In a school where there are teachers who are teaching them. I am very happy to learn that there are different awardees. There is state awardee, the National Award 2024, Sri Evasting, the principal of Benken Christian Higher Secondary School, Bollywood. I would like to congratulate Sri Everlasting Kungu for his dedication and hard work in building up a better society by nurturing the students and the dedication that each teacher, the steps, the first, second, third, fourth, or whatever steps any teacher is taking. And I would like to congratulate Sri Padam Shetri, who is the state awardee. Congratulations to him. And we have also other teachers from the district. Sri Suganda Pratati, congratulations to you, sir. And listening to your words, I feel very proud, and it's an encouragement as well that you're sharing in your classroom the joy that you feel in giving knowledge to the students.
MeghalayaPost.news